a box that came in today, and I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing. And this is a big box. Hopefully it'll zoom in or show pretty clearly, from Brambleberry. Look how big this box is. Holy cow. I don't remember what I ordered. I got fragrances, that's for sure. So let's see what I got. I have been having some issues with having enough well-behaved fragrances, and I love Brambleberry. And I figured I would order some. They had a sale going on. And another reason why I ordered is because I needed some watermelon fragrance for the soap challenge. Sorry, this crinkling is going to be loud. The soap challenge for next month is going to be watermelon themed. So they have 3 watermelon fragrances, and that is what I ordered, along with other things. So hang on a sec. Fragrances now. This isn't all that was in the box. I'd forgotten that I had used my rewards. They have a rewards program, and I got the Succulent Soap Kit for free. So this will have, let's go ahead and open this up first. So this is going to be a glycerin soap melt and pour. Look how cute that is. So it has the 2 different color blocks in there. Oh goodness, lots of good packaging. Okay, 2 different color blocks. It has the Brambleberry succulent mold. I've got 2 different colors of the Brambleberry white soap base and the clear soap base. Let's see what this is. I have agave extract and then lush succulent, which I've actually used lush succulent in both glycerin soap and cold process. Now with lush succulent, it does have a very low usage rate, but even at the low usage rate, it still smells amazing, and it is so well behaved. Actually, let me grab, I have these 2 right here. These are 2 that I made with lush succulent, and it, like I said, super well, this is a different design, but super well behaved. It actually, I would consider it more of a decelerating one. So if you have something you need lots of time, that would be a great one to use. Slide this out of the way. I'm getting paper everywhere. Now on the fragrances that I got, my goal was to find ones that were very well behaved, and they also had a sale going on, which was helpful. And then again, on top of that, I needed the watermelon. So I got Crisp Anjou Pear. I have not used this one before, so let's give it a smell. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells just like the real thing. Oh, wow. That is wonderfully scented. So this is wonderful right out of the bottle. And it does behave well in cold process. I like to make sure to read the notes, so that should be a well-behaved one. Okay, next we have Tranquility. This one is well-behaved. I believe this one is on sale and possibly getting discontinued. I haven't used this one before yet. Okay, this one smells like a spa. It smells like when you go into a place to get a massage. This is what that smells like. So almost, it kind of reminds me of if you've ever been on a cruise ship and you go kind of to the fitness area and they have that spa in there. That's kind of what it smells like. So it smells very, very fresh and clean. We have Fern and Acai. I always have a hard time saying that. This one does say it discolors to purple, which will be interesting. I know which one is Emerald Agave. That one discolors to purple. Kind of a light purple, so it'll be interesting, but it's supposed to behave well. I like that. This one, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of warm. It smells very fresh and clean. Green, but not like like some of the green, it's like grass green, but it's more of a warmer green with a little bit of I don't want to say perfume, but it smells really good. Right, green tea and cucumber. This is another one that's supposed to be very well behaved. I'm not really getting the cucumber. I get the green tea, and I get a lot of lemon. It almost smells like like kind of one of those lemon, those little sour lemon candies with some green tea. So it'll be interesting when it is used in cold process. It does smell really good, but I don't get a lot of the cucumber right off the bat. This one is Lily Lemon Drop, and this one was recommended by another soap maker. It's supposed to be well behaved. This one smells the lemon bar. I've used lemon bar before, but it's not as, I don't want to say sugary. It's not as warm and toasty and sugary as lemon bar, but it does smell. It's not sharp. Like this one, the green tea and cucumber, this one smells more like, I guess, a lemongrass. Like his lemongrass has a little bit of sharp lemon, where this one's not sharp at all, but it smells really good. Okay, Pink Petals, I've used this one before. It's a beautiful scent. It does have a little bit of acceleration. The reason why I got this one is they're discontinuing it. If you can get it, go ahead and get it because it smells amazing. And there's another one. Oh, Electric Lemonade Cocktail. I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. This one behaves super well. I know it does. And this one is getting discontinued, so go grab some. All right, this one I would put in the middle of the kind of the sharper lemon and the warm. This one has, it's not sharp, it's not warm, but it has an effervescence to it. So kind of like the champagne, it has a little bit of that bubbly scent, and it smells really good with that lemon as well. Cactus Flower, this one is, I would say this one's decelerating. I've used this one before, and this one's popular. It reminds me of a shampoo from when I was younger that my mom had, and it smells really good. When I made this before, I had done some embeds on top, and the problem was I had to wait like half an hour for the top of the soap to be able to hold anything. So definitely use this one if you want something decelerating. If you want something, you're trying to get the soap done, this is not the one for you. Rose Quartz, this is another one I've purchased numerous times, and I have not used it in cold process yet. I've used it in other applications, but it's supposed to be very well behaved, and it smells amazing. It is not your typical rose. I'm not a big rose person, but it smells beautiful. It really, really does. All right, now we're on to our 3 melon fragrances. I have cucumber melon, I got cucumber melon candle and soap, and then I got watermelon sugar. They're all supposed to behave well. Let's see, these two don't have any color discolorations, and this one has off-white, which is not really a big deal. You could add a little bit of a titanium dioxide or some white mica to get that back to the white in your soap. First up is cucumber melon. That straight up smells like cucumber melon. I can definitely smell that cucumber. So like I said, I couldn't smell the cucumber. This one I can really smell the cucumber melon, and that smells just like the lotion or anything you'd expect it to be. And this was a cucumber melon candle and soap. This one smells a bit more muskier, so more I think on the melon side, not as sweet as this one does. It does still smell good, but it's a little bit deeper, a little earthier than that one. And then the watermelon sugar. This smells like bubble gum. Like, I don't even, is bubble gum even around anymore? That bubble gum that we ate in like the chewed in the 80s and 90s. This smells like the watermelon version of that. It smells really, really good. So I'm excited with what I got. I'm excited to try these 3 next month when I do those soaps. I'm gonna go ahead and write the batch numbers in my inventory folder and then put these with the rest of my fragrances, and I'm excited to use them.